Wow, I told you you can have short hair without cutting your hair. Let's do the magic. First do this. Yes, in this video we're going to see how you can have short hair without cutting your short hair. So I want you to be very attentive so that we all see what is the magic behind all this. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much, Prince and Princess, for subscribing to our YouTube channel, the Hair Zipper. Yes, and it's been long. I want to shout out to everyone who watched all of my videos within the week, and now here we are. I want to welcome everyone who is still new to our YouTube channel, that you're very welcome and you're on the right track. So the only thing you should do, just click on the red button and ring that bell. You're going to be seeing every tutorial that I'm going to be doing for you. I told you the good thing with the hair zipper, we do all types of hairstyle. So let me try to explain about this. We are going to do the spongy dread, and I want to show you how you can do short hair without cutting your hair. So we start with the cornrows. If you watched my first video, we always do the cornrows going behind, like the way we are doing. So this is how we keep on doing it. No matter how your hair is, like no matter how long your hair is, still you can have this look. Trust me, you can have short hair without losing your hair. It's just your hair that is going to be protected when you do this kind of hairstyle. And if I tell you about the long lasting of this hair, it can last with the from 3 months to 4. So you see how this spongy dread lasts, and you can wash it as well. So when you're done with the cornrows, as I told you, it's supposed to be going behind. We apply our anti-itchy, those are the white things you're seeing, but after it melts. So this is my kinky that I'm going to be using. Yes, the soft kinky. We do it this way. Crocheting and locking, it's the same way how you lock the crochets. So that's how we do this way. So the only thing is try to pack it, try to make it, but because when you pack it, that means if someone is going to sleep, or when you're leaning on something, your hair is not going to lose shape, and it will be very easier for you to maintain it when it is well packed. And even someone who is going to trim it or to cut it, to shape it on that particular shape that you want, it will be very easier when you pack it very well. So that you have to pack it to make sure it looks like the real hair. So that's how it's supposed to be. And I want to shout out to all our friends who are watching right now. Guys, you're doing a great job, and thank you so much. I love you. And I think for this time I'm going to be saying your names, because yes, showing some love. I'm going to be listing my name, some names here for those ones who keep on watching us, and I'll be giving you I'll be reading them here, so that you also know that I'm recognizing you, and I really appreciate what you do, and what I appreciate the love that you're showing here, Zipper. So this is how we keep on doing it. I told you have to pack it. You make sure you pack it as possible as you can. So when you're done with that, Guys, you need to work at the team, because for me, when I'm with my students here, I make sure that they get to learn everything that they have to know, because me, I do everything myself. So when we're done with that, let's try to do the cutting. So the cutting, this is what I use. Last time in the other video, I was using a scissor. It's also very fine, but when you use a machine, it becomes a bit faster. Yes, it becomes a bit faster than the scissor, because the scissor can even make your fingers to pain, but this one is a bit faster. So if you don't know how to use this machine, you can still use a scissor. And I would make a note here that cutting this spongy dread, you just have to cut it according to what you feel like, that shape you have in your mind that you're going to do your client, because at times we do things that don't match with the head shapes of our clients. So you just have to learn how the head or the head shape of how their head shape look, and then you put it in your head, like, when I do the cut, it's going to look nice. When I do the brush cutting, it's also going to look nice. So that one, I won't explain much about it, but it's supposed to be in your head for you to know what kind of shape you're going to give your client to look nice. Because for me, since she has got a long forehead, as you can see, I'm trying to do a French cut. Yes, a French cut. Like, if I say a French cut, that means on top is going to be a lot, and then the sides they're going to be a little. So this is how I keep on doing it. Yes, I can't forget all the support I'm getting from United States. Guys, I've been seeing you watching. Thank you so much. And we added those ones in. Yes, so I was surprised. Surprised. Sorry, I was surprised to see that even people from people from Saudi Arabia, they are increasing, and those ones of South Africa, they are also increasing. Yes, thank you so much. United Emirates, we love you so much. So this one is going to work for us in this quarantine, and this is a long-lasting hair, and it's going to protect our hair. Trust me, you should try it out, because it will do it better for you. Sometimes I always see people trying to trim this spongy dread, and you find the how can I say, the corner of the head it's very long and big. So when we're done with the cutting, you just have to make it this is how we do it, to make it a bit crazy. Yes, that's how we wrap it with this African I use our African sponge, but there's these normal sponges that are also very nice. Yes, they're very nice with even than this one. So this one, you just have to make it a bit wet, though the other one is just do it without making it wet. So that is the only difference. And so when you're done with that, trust me, you're going to make a little trim, and you will see how amazing it looks. I love this spongy dread because it just gives you stress-free. It is stress-free. You see how it looks? And I've tried to put the line, you understand? So I just try to make sure I trim a little bit of the forehead, as you can see. So when I'm done with that, trust me, you're going to like it. You see? Yes, just have to make sure that it looks like real hair. It looks like little hair. She's trying to explain to me for them they don't cut the forehead, but I'm not cutting her forehead, I'm just cutting the crochet. Yes, there's nothing I'm touching, like the hair is already protected, remember we plaited it, so I'm just trimming only the crochet. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So this is how it looks, and trust me, it is very nice. You can wash it, and the more it stays, the more it keeps on looking nice, and it's the more those ones who want it crazy, it keeps on looking crazy. So trust me, you're going to love it. And I'm done. Look at it. Wow, I love it. Then after I try to put some treatment, like it smells nice. For it to smell nice, you just apply that. So this is how it's supposed to look. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. I sign out. See you guys. Just enjoy the short hair. See you on my next video. This time it's going to be a bit I'm going to change it a bit because I have a lot to show you. So just keep tuned. I will be giving you this in one of these weeks. I'm going to be doing it every day. So let's keep in touch. Bye bye.
Right.